understand the culture from Kashmir to south means all over the country. Yes. From west to east, north to south. Okay. I am proud to be part of Manu family. And I will take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. No. Yes, sir.
Even that street, sir, that street se bhi hai hamare paas.
Yes. Yeah. Earlier we have the center. We had the centers in Chicago, Manu distance education in Dubai and Chicago. So all the continents we have covered. Here, one person went to the Swamiji and one saint. What do you want? He asked. I want happiness. मुझे खुशी चाहिए. इन्होंने बोला था. First remove the मुझे, remove the I. Okay. Then I means ego. You have the ego. मैं खुद मुझको ये. That if you remove that I, you will get. Next want means desire. वो भी हटा दीजिए. Then you will be happy. I want to be happy. So I want happiness. If you remove I and want, happiness is with you. There is a formula for happiness. H is equal to RE square. Happiness is equal to your environment. That is your relations with yourself, with others. Are is the relation? How good you are with yourself? How good you are with others? That is the R. Second is your environment. Third is your emotions. The unity, diversity, the purpose of all these things are to promote the peace and happiness across the globe. You know that the UN membership of the countries in the whole world, 195 countries. In that 193 countries registered in UN, 2 independent nations, that is Palestine and Vatican. They are independent. And other thing is we have more than 1600 languages in India, but our constitution 8th this schedule recognizes 22 languages. Yes. We have 4,000 religions across the world, but in India we have major religions, 6 religions: Christianity, Islamic, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and different things. So all the religions, all the languages, all the knowledge to be shared to all the people. Then only the entire globe, the entire thing, humanity will be happy. The ultimate goal of life is to be happiness.